Hi friends, welcome to my channel Code GP. In this video, let's learn about pausing a thread, how to pause the thread in Java. Okay. So friends, in Java, we can pause a thread using the thread.sleep method. Okay. This method causes the currently executing thread to sleep for a specified number of milliseconds. So let's see a simple code example to illustrate that. So let's proceed. So friends, let's create and start a new thread. Okay. Let's write, let's write thread. Name of the thread, my thread equal to new thread. Okay. Let's take an lambda expression in this. Okay. Body. First of all, here add semicolon. Okay. Now let's define one for loop for int I equal to 0, sorry, I equal to 1, where I is less than equal to 5, I plus plus. Okay. Use the method pass the message as count count plus a variable I. Okay. Save the code. So friends, what we have done here, we create a new thread using the thread class. Okay. And provide a lambda expression to define the logic of the thread. Here we provide a lambda expression to provide the logic of the thread. We then start the thread. Okay. So now we are going to start the thread using the start method. So let's do that. Before that, pause the thread for 1 second. Okay. So let's do write code for that. Take the try and catch block, try thread dot sleep thread dot sleep 1000 milliseconds. Okay. Semicolon. Now let's take the catch interrupted exception. Okay. Type an interrupted exception E. Okay. Curly brackets E dot print stack trace method. Okay. Select the print stack trace method here. Semicolon again. Okay, friends. So I do hope that you understand up to line 14. Now let's write code to start our thread by using the start method. Okay. So let's call that method my thread. Let's call that method on instance my thread dot start. Fine, friends. So inside the inside the run method provided by the lambda expression, there is a loop that prints counting numbers and pause the thread. This loop prints the counting numbers and pause the thread for 1 second in each iteration using the thread.sleep methods. Okay. Now, friends, let's execute the main thread, which will execute independently. Okay. So let's do write code for that. Take again one for loop for int I equal to 1 where I is less than or equal to 3 I plus plus. Okay. Do body which will print main thread plus variable I. Okay. Save the code. Now let's pause the main thread for 2 seconds. Okay. So let's do write code for that. Take the try and catch block. Try thread dot sleep for 2 seconds. Okay. And now take the catch block. Catch inter inter interrupted exception e dot prints call the method print stack trace. Okay. Print stack trace semicolon. Correct the spelling. Okay, friends, fine. Save the code again. So friends, what we have done here, the main thread continues its own dependent execution, printing numbers and pausing for 2 seconds in each iteration. Okay. We are talking about main thread execution logic. Okay. So friends, the key here is the use of thread dots sleep to pause the execution of a thread for a specific amount of time. So when we talk about real world scenario, we might use the thread pausing to control the timing of a certain operations or to introduce delays in a program. Okay, friends. So uh, we have completed our code. It's time to run our code. So let's run our code, friends. So friend, this is our output. Main thread 1, count 2, main thread 2, count 3, count 4, main thread 3, and so on. So friends, in this way, we can pause a thread in Java using the thread.sleep method. Okay. So this is all about pausing the thread in Java. Please do Please do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel Code GP. Please help to grow my channel. Please add value to my video by subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching the video. Keep coding, happy coding. Thank you once again.